Today, we printed a human body model by VEHO-1000 Pro 3D printer for displaying finished clothes in shopping malls or production lines. Let's slice first and print the upper and lower parts of the body separately. We use PLA filaments. Upper body printing in progress. Taking a total of 10 hours 9 minutes, and consuming approximately 612 G of PLA. Lower body printing in progress. Printing successful. It took a total of 13 hours and 48 minutes and consumed approximately 1065 G of PLA. We will stick this human body model together. We can see that this person's body is almost the same height as the little sister next to us. Finally, the total printing time for this entire model is 23 hours 57 minutes, which is less than a day. A total of 1677 G of PLA were used, with a cost of approximately $23. For the cost of a human body model, this is a rather exaggerated, small price. Good. Now let's dress the models. We can place such a human body model in the workshop and wear sample clothes on it. You can even showcase the model in your own clothing store. You can print more. If you also have the need to print models and sculptures, you can also purchase this VEHO-1000 Pro 3D printer. For more and larger models, you can visit our official online store, www.store.tronxy.com.